This stack of 10,000 cubes is going to be absolutely destroyed. But why? Because in this video, we are going to be destroying stacks of cubes ranging from 100 to all the way to 10,000. Yeah, this is going to burn my PC. So, before this video, I made this video of destroying 2,000 cubes, which I made in Blender, so this is going to be inspired from that video. So let's go, here are 100 cubes. Before going to next stage, I want to tell you that these simulations were a mess when I was making them, but anyways, here are 1,000 cubes. That was cool. After this we have 5,000 cubes, and then 10,000, but the 10,000 cubes almost set fire to my PC. So here are 5,000 cubes. Now, we have the final boss, 10,000 cubes. I was gonna skip this due to amount of processing power they need, but after giving it some time to do the processing, it was finally made. And here is the final stage, the main boss, 10,000 cubes. After making the 10,000 cubes simulation, the 100 cubes feel nothing. I am actually a beginner in these simulation and slowly becoming a pro while making these video. You can see the difference between 100 cubes and 10,000 cubes. The difference is huge, just like the difference in the channel's growth when you subscribe, so please,